Hi, it's Erin here. It's National Mental Health Month throughout October, so I thought what better time than to share with you one of my favorite pranayama breathing practices. It's a practice that I find really supportive and helpful if my mind's racing, if I'm feeling stressed or anxious, or if I'm struggling to fall asleep of a night. It's called bhramari. It's the humming bee breath. So basically, we hum and make a sound like a bee. Humming has so many benefits for the body. As I mentioned, it helps to quieten down the mind. So it's like a big clear out for the mind. It helps to clear out all the clutter, the busyness, the racing thoughts. It's really nice to do it if you can't fall asleep because you are just racing in your mind. Or it can be a nice practice to do before meditation because it just clears everything out in preparation for you to then sit and go into your meditation practice. And when we hum, we produce nitric oxide in our bodies. So nitric oxide is a gas that our bodies naturally produce, but when we hum, we produce a lot more of it. And it supports our respiratory system, our circulatory system, our immune system. And nitric oxide helps to transport oxygen, nutrients throughout our body. So great that we can help to produce more of it just by this simple practice of humming. And when we hum, we lengthen our exhalation. So when we lengthen our exhalation, we calm and soothe our nervous system, moving into balance. If we've been stressed or in fight or flight mode, as we start to lengthen the exhalation with this practice, we start to come back into balance. We start to feel calm, centered, at peace. So the best way to experience it is, of course, to practice. So let's give it a try now. You can either practice this lying down in a comfortable position on your back, or you might like to try it seated. If you want to be seated, I recommend sitting onto a little bit of height, like a cushion or a folded up towel. So your hips are a little bit higher than your knees and you've got the natural arch through your lower back. You can either keep your hands on your thighs or beside you if you're lying down, or you might like to bring your hands up to your face to cover your eyes, which will help you to go more deeply into the practice. So I will talk through that option if you want to give that a try as well. So when we hum, we're going to lightly press our lips together. We're going to keep our teeth slightly separated and make sure that there's no tension through our jaw. We'll inhale, and then on the exhalation is when we'll hum. And you'll find that as you're humming that you can explore different pitches, a higher pitch or a lower, deeper pitch. And you'll find that the different frequencies or the different vibrations will move into different parts of your body. So feel free to explore and see what feels right for you and what resonates. So finding your comfortable position of choice. And then if you would like to cover over your eyes, you can cup your palms, close your eyes, and just lightly rest your cupped palms over your eyes, but not putting any pressure over your eyes. And then using your thumbs to partially block your ears, just by pressing that little flap of cartilage, the tragus, in just enough so you can still hear me. Otherwise, your arms might be resting beside you. Then closing down your eyes if you're not already. And just dropping your awareness inward. And just noticing what your breath is like in this moment. Notice how you feel. And then in preparation to hum, let's gently press our lips together. We'll take an exhale to synchronize the breath. And let's inhale to hum. Now letting go of the humming. Breath settling back into its natural rhythm. And just feel and experience the impact of the vibrations. Feel the energy that vibrations produced, and just feel it moving throughout your whole body. Allow any remaining tension in your body or any thoughts in your mind to just disappear into that flow of energy. And feel free to stay here in meditation for as long as you would like to, or you might like to end your practice now and give it a go outside of the video. Try it in your day-to-day life and let me know how you find it, or if you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. You can start with 5 to 7 or even 10 rounds of breath. Maybe work it up to a few minutes at a time. And you can't really overdo it. So please, give it a go. Let me know and share it with anybody who you think could benefit. Anybody who could do with a little bit of humming and stress reduction and some quietness and clarity of mind. Have a beautiful night or day wherever you are, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Namaste.